What sectors are most impacted by the rising producer inflation in China? You might be surprised to learn which industries are feeling the heat the most and how it ripples across the global economy. The manufacturing sector is hit hardest by rising producer inflation in China. Raw materials like steel, aluminum, and plastics have seen significant price increases. Since China is a global manufacturing hub, these cost hikes directly affect industries such as electronics, textiles, and machinery. The higher input costs often lead to increased export prices, influencing global supply chains and consumer prices worldwide. This inflation pressure forces manufacturers to either absorb costs or pass them on, squeezing margins and sometimes slowing production. Energy is another critical sector heavily affected by rising producer inflation in China. Costs for coal, natural gas, and electricity have increased due to both domestic supply shortages and global commodity price rises. Since energy is fundamental for manufacturing and transportation, these higher expenses create a domino effect, increasing operational costs across multiple industries. The energy crunch also pressures Chinese households and businesses, amplifying inflationary challenges throughout the economy. The construction sector in China faces significant strain due to rising prices for essential materials like cement, steel, and glass. These cost increases are driven by both supply constraints and inflationary pressures. Given the scale of urban development and infrastructure projects in China, higher input costs slow down construction progress and increase overall project budgets. This inflation in construction materials also impacts real estate prices and related industries, creating a broad economic ripple effect. China's automotive industry is also feeling the squeeze from producer inflation. Critical inputs like steel, aluminum, and electronic components used in vehicle production have become more expensive. This drives up manufacturing costs and can lead to higher vehicle prices for consumers. Since China is a major player in the global auto supply chain, these inflationary pressures can affect car availability and prices worldwide, illustrating the interconnectedness of global markets. Rising producer inflation in China doesn't just impact the local economy. It sends shockwaves through key sectors like manufacturing, energy, construction, and automotive worldwide. Understanding which industries are most affected helps you grasp the bigger picture of global inflation and supply chain challenges. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and stay ahead of the economic curve.